Handling difficult conversations and protecting your energy. While most clients are kind and respectful, occasionally you'll come across a conversation that feels uncomfortable, negative, or even inappropriate. In this lesson, we'll cover how to protect your energy and handle difficult situations like a pro. Recognizing red flags early. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is clients who push personal or inappropriate boundaries. Aggressive, disrespectful, or manipulative language. Repeated negativity that drains your energy. How to respond professionally. Staying calm and professional is key, even when someone is being difficult. Redirect the conversation politely. Set clear limits using respectful language. Example, let's keep things respectful so we can have a good chat. You don't have to explain or defend your boundaries. Set them clearly and confidently. When to end the conversation. If the situation crosses a line, it's okay to end the call immediately. Politely say you're ending the session. Use the platform's report and block features. And here's something important. We take action. If a client disrespects you, insults you, or crosses a line with sexually explicit content or hate speech, report and block them right away. We have zero tolerance for this behavior. Once reported, the user will be investigated and permanently removed from the platform if they've violated our standards. Protecting your mental energy. Even good conversations can be emotionally taxing over time. Schedule breaks between calls. Don't overload your calendar. Practice self-care, movement, music, journaling, whatever helps you recharge. You're not just here to talk. You're giving your presence, your time, and your care. That energy is powerful. Protect it, protect yourself, and know that Rent a Cyber Friend is here to protect you too.